Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix too many requests. Please try an option. Try an letter problem. On gunmanship. So let's get started. So here you can how you can solve this problem. So that's a security issues to prevent hackers to steal accounts. You can change your email sell account or new owner change the emails again. So hacker sends a request to the support pretending he got hacked, recovers the account, changes email sell it a second, okay? So the solution is you can use a VPN to log in. After login, you can disconnect VPN. It works for many users. Also, you can press the Windows plus R option. You type in the search bar the word regedit and go in. You go then to let me show you. Just tap on Windows plus R, then search for regedit and then search for it. Tap OK. Now you have to tap onto yes, and then you can tap on HK current user. Then you have to tap on to go to software, okay, and then delete both folders called mihoyo and mihoyo stk. You might get an face. So let me show you. Here you can see this option. Just follow these steps. Also you can clear your cache of your PC of your game, and then it might solve the problem. So that's pretty much it. You can check out all this text here and your problems may be solved. And if your problem is not solved, then just contact with the gunmanship customer support. And that's it. If this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.